So in this question, you're given fx is equal to 2 power x. You're asked to find the inverse function. So we have seen how to find inverse function. So if y is equal to f of x, this implies x will be equal to f inverse of y. So if a function is given as y is equal to some function in terms of x, so if you can get x in terms of y, that is nothing but f inverse of y. So given function is y is equal to 2 to the power x. So we know that this implies x is equal to log y to the base 2. That is the reverse of the opposite of exponential expression. So if y is equal to 2 power x, x is equal to log y to the base 2. And this is nothing but f inverse of y. So this implies what is f inverse of x? In the place of y, just put x. Log x to the base 2 is the answer. So f inverse of x is log x to the base